Hello and welcome to this video series all about how to create a simple lean operating system within your organization. I'm Daniel Crawford, the founder of Lean Smarts, and I'll be leading you through everything that you need to know about lean to be successful. Now, that word lean can mean a bunch of things to a bunch of different people. Maybe you've never heard the word before today, and that's fine. Or maybe you've heard it too many times. Unfortunately, there's quite a few people that when they hear the word lean, they think of something rather negative because of how it's often done and portrayed within the world of lean. Maybe it brings up ideas about reduction of cost. Well, I'm here to tell you today that lean is actually not about reducing costs. It can and will do that. But I'll tell you a little secret, if reducing costs is your only motivation for lean, you're not going to make it. It's not going to go very well for you in the long run. On the contrary, maybe it brings up the idea of just working harder, working your people down to the bone. Well, I tell you what, it actually has nothing to do with that. Lean doesn't mean working your people hard. It's about working smarter, not harder. And we're going to learn exactly how to do that. And then thirdly, maybe lean makes you think of something like this. A bunch of technical crap that consultants and engineers just toss around. Well, lean is not just a bunch of technical crap. You can get detailed in it, but in its purest form, lean is a few things. Lean is simple. Lean is massively fun. And thirdly, lean respects the genius inside of people. In fact, I would say that's what is really the most fun and simple thing about it. And I really mean it. And in fact, your leadership means it. They wouldn't have chosen Lean Smarts in this training course if they weren't at least a little bit daring to believe that there's genius inside people besides themselves. And there is. Lean is all about unlocking that genius inside people. We talk about wastes in lean. And it's very true that our goal is to eliminate those wastes so that we can live a struggle-free work life and even life in real life. But the greatest waste of all has nothing to do with a process. The greatest waste of all is actually this. It's wasting brains. The greatest waste is the genius inside of people that companies, businesses, organizations all over the place are neglecting, denying, or just not tapping into. That is the greatest waste of all. And so through this training series and the help of your leadership, we're going to learn how to tap into that genius and bring it out. Now, this video series is really about creating a simple lean operating system within your company or organization. There's a lot of consultants and engineers and people that will get very complicated in it, and it just doesn't work out so well because it's hard to work with complicated, but it's easy to work with simple. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to teach you how to make lean simple and keep it fun. When I teach about how to run a lean operating system within your company or organization, it looks like this. First, it begins with a period of 3S'ing every single day. 3S stands for sorting, sweeping, and standardizing. It's a simple activity that everybody does every single day. And it can be done, honestly, in a few minutes. Maybe 5, 10, not more than 15 typically. Now, the second thing that I teach is for you to have a daily improvement period. This is a time in which you can improve things all over the place in your organization and fix the things that bug you. It's really as simple as that. There's a lot of things I could teach you about how to see waste, improve stuff, but at its core, it's about fixing things that bug you. And then thirdly, the other very important component of this simple lean operating system is a daily meeting. The daily meeting is where you sustain everything that you're doing and you track all of the important data and metrics and information of your company. But really, when it comes down to it, it's where a culture is built in a company. It's where a lean culture is built and people learn and are trained about lean thinking. So this training course is actually focused on primarily the first one. I'm going to teach you how to 3S your workplace every single day. It's going to be a lot of fun, and I can't wait to get started. Oh, and hey, I totally forgot to tell you, but we're actually going to film the majority of this right here in my own kitchen. Because you know what? Lean is universal. The principles apply everywhere. You can start even at home. And if it even works here in this kitchen, it's going to work for you, no matter what business, background, or industry you're in. But you know what? I'm also going to include some other clips and videos from other companies as a part of this training where you can see it happen in a true, just original manufacturing environment.